Well, so first of all, thanks to all of you. And my today's topic is going to be about the difference between will and would. Actually, when I was in my school life, and then I asked the question to my school teachers for many times, what is the basic difference between will and would? And most of them answered me very uh, strangely that would is the past form of will and will is the future form of would. Well, then what was the present form? So I met my uncle and he gave me a very crystal clear example. Imagine that India and Austria will be face to face in the final, or imagine India and Australia will be playing against each other. Okay, and the next sentence, look at the motive of the second sentence, that if Sachin Tendulkar gets the run or gets the form, India would win the match. So what is the basic difference between will and would? No, it's absolutely wrong that will is the future form of would and would is the past form of will. There is no past form, there is no present form, and there is no future form at all. Actually, the difference goes with the motive of the sentences. When India and Austria will face each other, this is certainty. This is the result is definite as per the statement. So when the result is almost definite and goes for certainty, then it will be will. And if Sachin Tendulkar gets the run, India would win the match. If and would. So is a possibility. Might be in future tense, but there is no assurance, there is no certainty, and there is nothing fixed as per the along with the and there is nothing fixed along with the statement. So would is a kind of possibility, while will is not possibility. Will is going to be mandatory. Will is fixed. The result of will is fixed, while would is completely indefinite. That could be possible or not be possible also. So that is the basic difference between will and would.